As a driver for Fairfax Connector, I know a lot of you are headed back to the office and are trying to figure out your commuting options. One idea to try is Fairfax County's new Monument Garage, which is conveniently located at the Monument Drive exit off of I-66 in Fairfax. You can't miss it. The parking garage offers more than 800 spaces of free parking, a great base to connect to multiple bus routes and destinations. During peak hours, you can catch a Fairfax Connector bus to take you to the Vienna Metrorail station, where you can hop on the Orange Line. Connector buses travel in the express lanes, so the trip should be quick. And if you really want to get to DC faster and hassle-free, give the $6.99 a try. This express route picks up from the Monument Garage and travels in the express lanes to the U.S. State Department and the George Washington University. It's only about a 30-minute ride. If you use the county's Monument Garage to bypass Metro's $5 daily garage fee, you'll quickly see some savings to your commuting budget. Every day, you'll be putting $2.70 in your own pocket. That's almost $14 a week, more than $50 a month, or about $600 a year. So, what are you waiting for? Start your smarter commute today.